you guys, welcome to my channel.
I am disgusted.
Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. It's Bria Simone here, and today we're going to achieve this Arrogant Tae inspired look with clip-ins. I'm so excited. I love this look. It is so cute. But before we get into this hair, let me tell y'all, I tried to record that intro like 10 times. Like, nah, I'm for real. I don't know what was going on, but it was just not working out. But anyways, let's get back into this hair. So now I'm sectioning off the top portion of my hair for this look. So I'm leaving the sides of my hair down where my edges are at the front so that I will have enough room for the wider extensions with the 3 clips. So I could have that more fuller look at the bottom half of this style, but you'll see that later on in the video. I parted the very back of my hair, and now I'm just going to crimp my natural hair to blend with the first clip extension. By the way, I already crimped the extensions beforehand, well, at least most of them, just so that the video won't be too long. I also want to mention that I did use heat protectant before I started using heat, of course. You guys don't see that in the video, but you know, I definitely did. I did it throughout my hair. Oh, and I also use a holding spray. It's by Olive Oil. Now I'm applying the first clip extension. This is one of the smallest ones that I'm using right now. It's because it's at the very back of my hair. As you section and move up closer to the middle of your head, the clip extension should get wider. This will help your hair blend better, as you'll see later on in the video. Oh, I'm gonna have to mute it anyway in the back. fit the 2 clips into that 1 ponytail, but I knew it wasn't going to work out. So I decided to go back and add another smaller one behind the ponytail, and so that I'll only have one left to fit around the ponytail. It will make it a lot easier and it will look more natural. It won't look bulky. So after I done sprayed myself in the face twice, now we're going. so that's pretty much it for this look. Now I'm just adding on some hoop earrings because you know I gotta have my hoops, okay? And now we're about to move on to the other style, which is the 2 ponytails, and I'll show you how to achieve that in just a minute. Now, this is pretty much the easiest part other than bumping my bangs, but I'm literally just going to split that ponytail into 2 sections and put them into 2 ponytails. So I'm not going to add any extensions to my ponytails. I think it looks fine the way it is. It still look cute, but if you want more of a polished, more thicker look to your ponytails, then you can add weave to it if you want. But I think it looks fine. And my hair is a little on the thinner side, so you know, it still look cute to me. But obviously if your hair is thicker and even longer than mine, then I feel like it will look completely fine and it will still look as good. So yeah, the choice is yours. All right, so that's it for that look. I really like the 2 ponytails. Like, it just add a little something, you know, and it's really cute. Like, but anyways, now I'm adding some lip liner and some lip gloss. So I definitely think that this is more of a easier and natural way to achieve this look. But if you don't want to cut your natural hair to bangs, then you know I will obviously wear a wig. But I already had bangs, so I was like, why not do this style with some clip-ins? But I feel like this is another way to do this look for people who don't wear wigs or simply don't know how to wear one or apply one, which is me. But that will definitely be a journey for us on this channel because I will be learning how to make wigs. So stay tuned. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I love y'all. Can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.